Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll talk about the lambda function. So you might be asking me, what is a lambda? So in Python, a lambda function is a small anonymous function that's defined with the lambda keyword. It can take arguments, but it only has a single expression. So let's just start with the code. So first, let's type add equals lambda, and then we will do x colon x plus 1. Now we will type print add 3, and we will make this on lowercase. So you see the answer is 4 now. So now after we've done that, we will go and do add underscore numbers equals lambda x comma y, and then x plus y. So now after that we will type print add underscore numbers, and then we will do 4 5, and okay, so this will also work. So we can do 0.5 and minus 6, and we will put a comma here, and there. We can also do that. So after we done that, let us do letters equals, and then we will do the square bracket, and then we will start with this. Let's do A. Let's do actually A. And then we will do BB. And then we'll do CC. And then we will do DD. And we will also do an EE. So now we will put the other bracket on the other side. Now let's type print and then parentheses letters. Now what this does is it prints B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E. See? Now after that we will do letters dot sort, and then we will do key equals lambda, and then we will do x colon, and we'll do len x, and then we will put this thing. So now we have this. Oops. Okay, so now we will jumble up the letters actually. We'll probably do this. We'll do letters equals BB, FF, QQ, HH, and SS. And then now we will type print letters. So now let's do the letter sort again. Now we will do print letters. As you see, it will print this. So what we'll do after is, let's do define add underscore 1, and then let's do n. Or let's just do s, for example. Def add 1 s, and then a colon. And now we will type return lambda x colon, and then x plus s. And then we will click enter and then type number equals add underscore 2 to maybe 50, for example. So that will make an error. So let's just do 1 maybe. So let's just fix this. So let's just actually do the def add 1s and then return lambda and then def add 1s. So that will cause an error, but let's just do print number 1. That'll also cause an error. But the point of lambdas was to learn how to use the small anonymous functions. But we can use them for multiple functions, but we can only have a single expression. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about lambdas, and if you want to keep seeing these cool videos about Python and other subjects I'll make about, please don't forget to add a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.